Hi, it's Steve from Caloundra Marine. We're on the water here with the 490 Renegade side console, fitted with the 80 horsepower Suzuki 4-stroke. As you can hear, very little noise coming from the motor, and we'll compare it to the Evinrude E-Tech shortly. Right, this is our E-Tech idling. We compared it before to a 4-stroke. As you can see, this is our top selling motor and very similar noise levels to a 4-stroke.
Get on the water this summer with the perfect combo: Quintrex, E-Tech and Caloundra Marine. Find your boat, motor and trailer in one easy package.
You could be larger than life, bigger than the world, living out the hopes and dreams of every boy and every girl. You could fly higher than the sky, shine brighter than the stars. You could have all you ever wanted, shoot the moon and reach for Mars. You know you could.
Caloundra Marine, Australia's best Quintrex prices.
So if you want to know more, give me a call. My name's Darren, pretty much here every day, or jump online to www.caloundramarine.com.au